How do you remove the outer of a raw egg without boiling it? Let's perform an exciting experiment to demonstrate this. For this experiment, we need a jar, vinegar, scissor, container, and of course an egg. Put the egg in the container and cut the sachet of vinegar to put the vinegar in the container, and let's observe for 3 days what will happen to the egg.
3 John egg majersey. And voila! Okay.
3 days later.
The raw egg of a chicken has a semi-permeable that only allows a few substances to enter and live through it, water being one of them. However, large molecules like salt and sugar are too big to pass through the hard outer shell of the egg. Is made of calcium carbonate. Vinegar is a combination of acetic acid and water made by a two-step fermentation process. First, yeast feed on the sugar or starch of any liquid from a plant food such as fruit, whole grains, potatoes, or rice. This liquid ferments into alcohol.
Leave the egg in vinegar for about 36 hours. Eventually, all the calcium carbonate will be dissolved by acetic acid, leaving just the soft membrane and yolk behind. The acetic acid reacts with the calcium carbonate in the eggshell and releases carbon dioxide gas that you see as bubbles on the shell. The eggshell is composed of calcium carbonates, CaCO3. When calcium carbonate comes in contact with vinegar, which contains acetic acid or CH3CO2H, a chemical reaction occurs. CaCO3 plus 2CH3COOH and CaCH3COO2 plus H2O plus CO2. The balance equation for egg and vinegar is CO2 carbonate. The reaction of the eggshell in vinegar is an acid-base reaction. When you submerge an egg in vinegar, the shell dissolves, leaving the inner semi-permeable membrane intact. Vinegar is acid. Break apart the solid calcium carbonate crystal is solid or base in the eggshell into their calcium and carbonate parts.